Hello guys, today I'm doing a Zippo video. Just gotta flip on. Oh well, can't do it. So this is one of my Zippos. My uncle gave it to me. It's a 2013 Eagle Zippo. If I can flip my camera around, I'll show you in the right direction. And so this is it. That's number one. Here is my favourite Zippo. It is a 1941 replica Black Crackle. One absolute beauty. And this one. It's a crack lighter. And I also pair it with this, my Zippo pouch. And I'm just going to bring my entire briefcase full of things. Full of cases, boxes and everything. I'll just do a restart with my entire collection. So that right there is my entire collection of lighters and everything. So if I just plot my camera right there. Right, that's perfect. This is a 23-year-old Zippo insert. Also to pair with my 23-year-old Zippo. It says XVI in it. Barely works anymore. Flip it upside down. You get the point. Oh, I have a way to start here. I can find my damn Bic. Shit, where'd my Bic go? Ow. Jeez. There we go. That works nice. Has a fairly large flame. We'll focus on the... Yep, you can just barely read 2000. So, yeah, my first ever Zippo. Got off of Facebook in early 2020. Or late 2020, sorry. So yeah, as I was saying, my first Zippo got off of Facebook. It currently has my gold insert for my gold Zippo, but I can't find my gold Zippo, so that's sad. Here's the box for my silver one. I know it's not the original box, but it works for the time being. So, that's it. And now, going back to my Eagle Zippo. Works beautiful. 41 replica. Jeez, where's my other Zippos? I know I have another one. Oh, there they are. I knew I had another one. This is a satin chrome Zippo Slim. Then the most iconic Zippo Slim, the matte orange Zippo Slim. Making sure my front wheel is doing fine. By the way, I swapped these two inserts, so this insert belongs to this one, and this one belongs into this one. Going on to my last lighter. This is a butane gun lighter, which I've only gotten a couple of days ago off my nan. So, yeah, she owns a Zippo. It is a gold Zippo with a front plate of a Japanese temple or something. So, that's my entire Zippo collection, and just lighter collection. But, if I reach 20 likes on this video, because this is my first video, I will make another video doing ASMR Zippos, or just another review of my Zippos, just to give you a closer eye on these things. And I will do a trick video next, how to do tricks, and I'll just do one in this video, because why not? I'll use my two different lighters, my Slim and my normal Zippo. So, what you're going to want to do is grab the top with your pointer finger and your thumb, then you swing, it lands in your palm like this, you flip your pinky finger, and then you strike the flywheel. And then you swing up like that, and then it closes. And if you own no Zippo Slims, I'll even do it on here. Same thing. So, yeah. Enjoy your day, or whatever time it is for you. And, I guess just have a good time. Peace out.